Greetings, everybody. Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, here's my big announcement. We are starting a 30-day unplugged challenge on June 1st. That's right, June 1st. So, if you would like to participate and take your life to the next level, you can like, comment, share, subscribe for more information. The rules would be to go outside, right? Connect with nature. No music, no TV, only inspirational speeches, eh, reciting affirmations. You can watch a documentary, read a book. Read a book for 15 minutes a day. Um, Eat a vegan meal at least once a week. Do 20 minutes of exercise. It could be walking, it could be calisthenics. You don't need any extra equipment or weights or anything. You can do it right in your home. You can even do yoga. 5 minutes of meditation, at least 5 minutes. Um, Practicing mindfulness. Do a self assessment, and I will leave some questions in the description box for you to help you do a self assessment. No gossiping. Only focus on your goals, your creativity, connecting with nature, and your higher self. Those are the rules. If you would like to participate, let me know. I would be more than happy to have you join us. In the meantime, I love y'all and I hope you have a wonderful day. Mwah.